Can't afford a graphic designer? I've got good news for you. This free tool will literally blow your mind and save you a ton of money. Hello amazing people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just coming across this video for the first time, please hit on that subscribe button and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and drop your comments in the comment section. So today we'll be talking about one free tool that can save you a lot of money if you can't afford a graphic designer.
So this free tool we are talking about today is called Canva. So what is Canva? Canva is a free online design tool that lets you create social media flyers, YouTube thumbnails, logos, flyers, and a lot more. So if you're a business owner, content creator, or a student, you don't need to learn graphic design to use Canva. You can create amazing flyers in just few minutes. Now let's head over to Canva.
What to do is to head up to canva.com. So I already have an account, that's why mine is showing like this. This is my home screen. So if you don't have an account, you have to create an account with your Gmail and you put a password and create an account. So Canva is actually very easy to make use of. If you want to, you just have to look for a template. You search for a template, you'll see millions of templates. Let's say you want to make a flyer for a real estate company, or let's just say Instagram posts. You see different designs for Instagram posts. Look at them, different designs for Instagram posts. You just select the one you want. Let's see this. Okay, this one is a pro, is you have to pay for it. So we'll just look for one that is free. This one is free. All you have to do is click on the customize. And then you can customize this template. You can type anything you want to type. We can customize this template how we want it. So this is how the interface looks like. If you want to add text, elements, you can search for anything you want, your pictures, and that's basically it. Just search for any template and design it. So we'll be diving more into how to use Canva in our next video.
If you enjoyed this video or you learned something new today, please give us a thumbs up and hit on that subscribe button. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.